Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future of road luxury. Introducing the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, a masterpiece that blends ultra-modern design, elite comfort, and groundbreaking innovation. Cadillac redefines what it means to travel in style. The front fascia of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome demands attention. Its sleek, futuristic LED lighting forms a seamless light bar across the wide grille, giving it a dynamic, high-tech look. The vertically aligned LED DRLs are distinctly Cadillac, while the closed-off grille hints at a fully electric powertrain. Sharp contours and sculpted lines not only boost aerodynamics but scream sophistication, marking a new design era for motorhomes. Around the back, the tailgate is equally stunning. Cadillac's vertical taillights, reminiscent of its luxury sedans and SUVs, add an unmistakable identity. The rear has a clean, minimalistic design with subtle chrome accents and an automatic sliding door that opens to reveal the warm glow of the interior. It's elegant, functional, and thoroughly futuristic. Step inside the cockpit and you're met with a high-tech command center. Wrapped in premium perforated leather, the captain's seats offer massaging, heating, and ventilation. A large dual-display setup dominates the dashboard, merging digital cluster and infotainment seamlessly. With carbon fiber trim, ambient lighting, and a yacht-like steering wheel, this cockpit feels more like a private jet's flight deck. The living area exudes opulence. From high-grade leather sofas to retractable smart TVs and customizable ambient lighting, every inch is crafted for luxury. Whether you're hosting a business video call or enjoying a movie night with your family, this space is multifunctional and elegant. The kitchenette is surprisingly comprehensive. With a sleek induction cooktop, built-in microwave, sink with hot water, and compact fridge, it's perfect for gourmet meals on the road. Soft-close cabinetry and modern finishes match the Cadillac standard of refinement, making road trip cooking a luxury experience. Powering this majestic machine is a rumored dual-motor electric drivetrain, likely offering over 500 horsepower and a range of up to 400 miles on a single charge. The motorhome supports fast charging, and air suspension ensures a cloud-like ride, even on uneven roads. It's not just about getting there, it's about enjoying every mile. Given the technology and luxury packed into this vehicle, we expect the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome to start around $210,000, with fully loaded configurations reaching up to $260,000. This pricing targets high-end customers who expect unmatched comfort, class, and tech. Cadillac is expected to launch this ultra-luxury motorhome in late 2025, with deliveries beginning by first quarter 2026. Initial units will likely be limited, with priority given to VIP clients and premium reservation holders.